Hi friends, Carrie McLean with Carrie McLean Homes at eXp Realty, and today I want to introduce you to my newest little gem. This beautiful home is located in the highly desirable Fairfax area of Briargate. It has been meticulously upgraded over the last 2 years, and I think you will find these upgrades very tasteful. But let me let you in on a little secret. If you just sneak out the back door, I promise your summer dreams will come true in the backyard oasis. Give us a call today and schedule a private showing at this beautiful home. We know that you and your clients are going to be so pleased. There is nothing here to disappoint, and we look forward to seeing you soon. See you next time.